Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my nighttime skincare routine. This is something that I find so relaxing and so therapeutic, as well as so important, for clear skin and just making sure that we're taking care of our skin and controlling the controllables, if that makes sense. Nighttime skincare routine is something that I never used to look forward to back in the day. And honestly, as of recent, I've really been looking forward to it. And I see a difference in my skin and my skin's health. I actually have one breakout here, and that's because I've just been wearing a mask the past week while I've been working out at the gym. But other than that, my skin texture has just cleared up so much, and I feel like my pores are just so free and happy. And there's so much more that I have to learn and so much more that I have to do. But I definitely think that the way that I treat my skin before I go to bed is so important and is honestly one of the biggest reasons that my skin is honestly glowing. I feel so confident in my skin. I also think it's important to note that when you're sleeping, your body's in restorative mode. It's rejuvenating itself, it's restoring itself, it's building new skin cells, it's resting, and it's just, detoxifying itself. And that's why when you wake up in the morning, you get eye gunk and stuff like that. That's your body spitting out all of the bad that it wants to. So yeah, let's get started. All right, you all, hopefully you can see me really well. So we are getting ready for our nighttime routine. So the first thing that I like to do, especially when I have a face full of makeup, is to double cleanse. Double cleansing is so important for so many reasons. It just helps get everything out of your pores. So the first thing that I like to start off with is the Clinique balm. I think it's called the Take the Day Off balm. It's literally my favorite balm ever. It's also the only one I've really ever used. But it's one of those where once you use it, you don't need to go back. It's so nice. Love it. So I just go in with my nail, take it on the back of my nail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my thing like this. Just like that. Oh, I was gonna take out the eyelashes. Crazy difference, huh? Yeah. I really like to get in there, and then you'll just see how it just melts your makeup off.
She's a queen, the realest one anyone ever seen. And if it turns out I'm asleep, then don't wake me up from this dream. I mean, if I'm keeping it real about how we came to be, I ain't do nothing to deserve you, but I keep you by any means, because nobody's like you. Nobody can compare to that shine inside of your eyes, and that way you play with your hair. It's the way you keep it one.
So now we're gonna go in with our cleanser. Here I am using CeraVe, but I've actually been loving the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. Basically any cleanser that doesn't have any sulfates or parabens, but still gets the gunk out and definitely does not over dry once you use it.
I trusted you with my heart. Could have torn me to pieces, but had my back from the start. It makes me sick to imagine you without me by your side. No other person can give you half of this love I can't provide. I'm passionate about you.
Sometimes I like to actually massage my face while I have my cleanser on because it's slippery, and it's just such a good opportunity to really get those knuckles in and massage your cheeks. Feels so good. And make sure to pat your face dry instead of rub it dry, just so that you're not harsh on your skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Now, I always say this because I always get asked about my teeth health and how I keep them white. What whitener do I use? I do not use any whitener. I just use an electric toothbrush twice a day for 2 minutes. That's literally all I do. I don't even floss, which I'm pretty sure I probably should. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just brush my teeth.
Happiness, if I need to remind you the rationale for my madness, I'm happy to tell you why, cause I see what you do when you're not thinking.
All right, so teeth are now nice and clean, and skin has been double cleansed. So let's get on with the rest of my nighttime skincare routine. So I love the Irani Glow Activating Exfoliator. It is one of my favorite products that I like to use once to twice a week. Super awesome, and just wait until you look at what it looks like. For all my Daisies out here, you're gonna literally die. Just look at that. Yummy. It has turmeric, neem, honey. So I like to take my little mask applicator. Honestly, This is just me being bougie. I honestly just like to put it with my hands, if we're being honest. But for the sake of the video, I like to just go in. First of all, can I just say, when it hits your skin, it feels so cooling and so nice.
Be a damn fool if I let you slip, yeah. If I let you slip out my grip, and I'm never trying to control you, but I can't take that risk. Not with this once in a lifetime, sports and a prime time, lifesaver, lifeline, right place and right time. And I'm unworthy of your treasure, but I'm working.
So this is what it looks like on. I just leave it on for like 5 to 8 minutes, wait for it to dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. When I rinse it off, I actually like to use some of these pearls. I don't know what they're called, but these little pearls to kind of exfoliate my skin. That's actually why I like to use it once or twice a week, because I personally don't exfoliate my skin every single day, but I think once or twice a week just really gets all of, that environmental gunk off of your face, and it just feels so good. So I will see you back in 5 to 10. All right, so I just washed off the mask, the turmeric mask. Now we're gonna go in with the Balance Restoring Serum. This is so amazing. This is, fun fact, the first time I'm ever using a serum in my life. So needless to say, I can see the difference. I can tell why there's just so much hype over using a serum. This one specifically has tea tree oil, chamomile flowers, and cucumber extract. Does that not just sound so relaxing? So it has this fun little pump. So you just pump it just like that. And then you take it out, and it comes with the perfect amount that you need. And then sometimes I actually take it just on my face and then just massage my face. But a lot of times I just put it right on the cotton pad, just like that. And I just go to town on my face.
Under this pressure to keep you in forever, cause you're rock solid, definition of loyal, elegant, empathetic, and enigmatically royal. You get on my damn nerves, bring my blood to a boil, but your heart is where my home is. Your soul exists in my soil. I got deep.
Now I'm going to go in with my under eye cream. This is the Eye Rejuvenating Elixir. First of all, I also love the packaging. Blue is my favorite color, so I don't know, just also just fun when you actually love how the product looks. I just take a little amount like that, and I take it onto my ring finger. First of all, it is such a nice consistency, very gel and hydrating and kind of watery, which I like, because I feel like when under eye creams are super thick, it makes you drag under your eye. And I like that this one is just so buttery and light and hydrating that I feel like I literally just have to pat my fingers. Feels so good.
For you, I'm not afraid to show it. We've been nurturing this love we were searching.
Yay, I love it. Feels so good. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna go in with the Softening Hydra Whip. This one was honestly a game changer, especially in the winter, because I had my heating on and it was just really dry all over in my house and just in the air. So this one was such a game changer, and I'm still using it. So it's been keeping my skin quite soft.
So let's roll it. We were meant to be together forever. We both know it. If this is my chance at being your lover, I'm not gonna.
I also like to just give myself a little facial massage. It's so good for blood circulation, and honestly just makes you feel good. We are basically done with the face. The last thing I like to do is put on some chapstick. I can't find the chapstick that I like. It's by Bite, I believe. I'll put it down in the description box below. But I like to go in with a nice lip balm just to keep my lips nice and hydrated. So that is it for today's video, you all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned, you do get 15% off your order with any Avrani product. Just go ahead and use my discount code down below. I hope you enjoy this. And yeah, just always make time for self-care. I definitely believe that that is part of being productive. So yeah, on that note, I will see you all in my next video. Stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye everyone.